The Shun Premier 8-inch chef's knife represents a pinnacle of Japanese bladesmithing, blending ancient forging traditions with contemporary material science. At its heart lies a proprietary VG Max cutting core, a high-carbon steel enriched with tungsten and cobalt to achieve an impressive 61 Rockwell hardness. For superior edge retention, this core is supported by 34 layers of stainless Damascus cladding on each side, which are bead-blasted to reveal a stunning tsuchime hammered finish. This unique texture is not merely decorative. It creates tiny air pockets that significantly reduce drag and prevent food from sticking to the blade during rapid slicing or dicing tasks. Ergonomics and balance are central to the design of the Shun Premier 8-inch chef's knife, making it a favorite for both professional environments and high-end home kitchens. The handle is crafted from contoured walnut-colored Pakkawood, a moisture-resistant resin-impregnated material that offers the warmth of natural wood with the durability of a composite. Its symmetrical shape provides a comfortable, secure grip for both left and right-handed users, while the embossed endcap adds a counterweight that ensures the knife feels light and agile in the hand. The thin, lightweight blade allows for precise control, reducing wrist fatigue during long prep sessions involving heavy vegetable prep or delicate protein fabrication. Maintaining the Shun Premier 8-inch chef's knife requires a commitment to traditional care to preserve its razor-sharp 16-degree double bevel edge. Unlike heavier Western cutlery, this knife is designed for precision cutting and should be hand-washed and dried immediately after use to prevent any surface oxidation. The 8-inch length provides the necessary versatility to handle everything from mincing garlic to carving roasted meats with a smooth, effortless motion. By combining aesthetic elegance with industrial-grade performance, this handcrafted tool stands as a testament to the quality of Seiki City craftsmanship, serving as a reliable centerpiece for any serious culinary collection. Pros: sharp and holds edge well, thin blade for effortless slicing, comfortable and well-balanced. Weight: beautiful Damascus pattern finish, high-quality VG Max steel core, durable Pakkawood. Handle design: nimble for delicate cutting tasks, includes lifetime sharpening service. Maintains professional-grade sharpness, clean and precise cutting performance, handcrafted. Japanese craftsmanship. Cons: blade can chip if misused, steel is brittle, not for cutting through bone, not for rapid chopping, requires specific cutting technique, length may be intimidating for some, needs more care than cheaper knives, more expensive than mid-range options, not for use on hard surfaces. Features: 8-inch chef's knife, handcrafted Japanese construction, VG Max steel cutting core, Damascus. Stainless steel cladding, walnut Pakkawood handle. The Shun Premier 8-inch chef's knife represents a pinnacle of Japanese bladesmithing, blending ancient forging traditions with contemporary material science. At its heart lies a proprietary VG Max cutting core, a high-carbon steel enriched with tungsten and cobalt to achieve an impressive 61 Rockwell hardness. For superior edge retention, this core is supported by 34 layers of stainless Damascus cladding on each side, which are bead-blasted to reveal a stunning tsuchime hammered finish. This unique texture is not merely decorative. It creates tiny air pockets that significantly reduce drag and prevent food from sticking to the blade during rapid slicing or dicing tasks. The Shun Premier 8-inch chef's knife is a high-performance, handcrafted Japanese tool celebrated for its exceptional sharpness, thin blade profile, and beautiful Damascus finish that allows for effortless, precise slicing and nimble handling. While its high-quality VG Max steel core and ergonomic Pakkawood handle provide professional-grade balance and durability, the blade's thinness and hardness make it somewhat brittle and prone to chipping if used on bones, hard surfaces. or with improper rapid chopping techniques. Ultimately, it is a premium investment that requires more specialized care and a higher price point than mid-range alternatives, though this is partially offset by the inclusion of a lifetime sharpening service.